Good evening, my friends, followers, and especially for the new investors. Today, I am going to speak one company where you can put your fund. I'll discuss little bit of company's background, and I am invested. That is why I am recommending. My recommendation does not mean that you will become superhero by purchasing this company, but I can assure you that at least multi benefit is available into this company as per my belief. Now, what do you do actually in the market? We want to expand our capital, we want to multiply very quickly capital into the market, but quickly may not be possible when you are not long term. I spoken already how to choose or how to make choice the multi-bagger company. This is one of the multi-bagger company. Now, before telling the background of the company and before telling you my investment into the company and my thought into the company, I want to say the background of the company. Prior to that, you must know for multi-return you have to have some ideas into your mind and some characteristics to be developed into your mind. Stock market not going to finish by tomorrow or day after tomorrow or even 7 days or fortnightly. So, we have to have patience. Don't make hurry to get it or don't make hurry to make decision. Read yourself, be satisfied with yourself, and then you put your investment, to put your hard-earned fund, what you are having into your hand, that you put according to your choice, 50-60% of your total fund even might be put into this company. My more than 50% fund I have put recently, very recently, into this company. Now, what is the company? Today I will not take much of your time. I will say very specifically of the company's background and the company, how it is evolved. This company came into the public and was established, and in the year 1997 the original company was Infrastructure Development Finance Company, that is IDFC Limited. Now, in 1999 they started with several subsidiaries like asset management, pension fund and other services as well as infrastructure financing. Now, so many days passed. I remember in the 2011 or 2012 around, the price was 130-40 around. Many of the renowned analysts, they gave a buy call onto this company, that is IDFC Limited. Now, later on we found there is a huge project implementation time gap between the funding and the time of completions. So, there was huge bad debt or huge default by those companies who took loan from this company for financing infrastructure. Now, India was growing. We could see from 11 to 2015 the infrastructure as well as the housing project as well as various infrastructure projects, those companies had a great depreciation in their price, that in terms of value of the shares. Now, I can even give you the name of some companies, like if you take the Punjloyd, if you take the Unitech, if you take the any other HDIL, any other infrastructure company, even Reliance Infrastructure also, you can consider. Now, the company in the year 2018, it demerged. Now, what is demerge? One company when split it into two or more company, it is called demerge. Demerge into two company. That is in the January, I remember little bit. IDFC, that is Infrastructure Development Finance Company, it continued as that one, as well as banking, that is Infrastructure Development Finance Company, infrastructure IDFC Bank only. Now, the share was splitted. Shareholder of the original company given one share of the parent company, one share of the subsidiary company. Now, IDFC continued to hold the 40%. Now, what's happened? We remember Vaidyanathan. Now, Vaidyanathan started his capital first. That is around 20156, and from then by the year 2019, capital first was running by Vaidyanathan. They went into the retail financing, like if you buy some consumer goods, they are ready to finance you, like Bajaj Finance and all. Now, he had a chance and offer to merge IDFC Bank with Capital First. Now, merging little bit I say you. Now, demerge means one existing company split it into two or more company. That is demerge. And shareholder of the original company is given shares. Okay. And now, merge means coming together two or more company. Now, this can be like in the form of amalgamation or in the form of absorption. In the form of amalgamations, that means two company comes together and create a new company. So, existence of both company finished, and there is a evolution or the incorporation of a new company, that is the amalgamation. And in the form of absorption means the little bit bigger company which absorbs the other company. That means later company will liquidate and the original company which absorbs that continue to exist and issue share to the shareholder of the absorbed company. Now here IDFC Bank was merged with the Capital First, and Capital First shareholder given for each 10 shares they held 139 shares in the IDFC First Bank. Now it is renamed as, it is merging IDFC First Bank separate company, Capital First. IDFC Bank is separate company, Capital First another company. Now IDFC Bank and Capital First came together and merged newly as from 2019 I think, and that time the share price of Capital First rose around 900, and also IDFC First Bank accordingly went up to 80 plus, that is 82, 3, 4, 5, 6 rupees. Now, both company merged. Now, since there was a depreciation in the infrastructure lending, so after it became one company, Vaidyanathan took charge as a chairman and the managing director of the company. He was the chief officer as well as the MD of the company, and the Mr. Vishal, who continued as chairman. Now what's happened? In the year 1920 we have seen there had been a great provision, and overall it shown a loss, and the price accordingly came down. Now it went up to 18, just below 18 in the tough time, that is pandemic time, that is COVID-19. Okay, and now it is again running around 26 rupees, and it went few days back 29 rupees, again came down to 26.7 rupees. Now according to me, it is a great price where you can make decision after having study of the IDFC First Bank website that whether justifiable to put your hard-earned money for appreciation or not. That you have to judge yourself. Myself, I judge. I may be correct or maybe proved incorrect in futures, because what we start today and after 3-4 years, 5 years we get the result. So in advance we cannot say anything. If I could say everything, then I can assure you that my shoes should have been made of the gold, not the leather. Okay, my friends, followers, so study yourself. I am suggesting you IDFC First Bank as the largest holding, and it is already crossed my 50% of total my portfolio values. I have spoken already my portfolio values. I am expecting a very good, very cream return. Like my expectation is high, like 10 times in next 5 years. So make your own decision. Don't jump on my talks. I cannot assure you, because the share market every time, every moment changes the sentiment. Now, if I suggest you, that does not mean tomorrow the IDFC Bank going to jump 10-20%, or fortnightly you get the very good return out of your investment. I am here only for the addition, not for the trade event. So my view is to get good return. I can give you one example. Axis Bank, I bought at rupees 10 and sold at 1000 plus. In 1996, HDFC Bank was running at 6-7 rupees. Now 1 rupee script is 1000 plus. So it is your choice and your patience, and you see your time, that whether how many days you can spend on to this. Accordingly you make investment. Urgent fund should not be invested. Borrowed fund should not be invested. It costs very high. I speak next time certain rules where you can make money in the market, where you can make some appreciation of your capital in the markets. Obviously, beside that, I can say you the stock which I am investing. IDFC Bank, I am invested my more than portfolio, 50% of my portfolio. Thank you very much. Good night. Next time I am coming with another topic. I want to help, especially for the newcomers and my followers and friends. They listen to me, they appreciate me. So I sell them my investment where I am going to get some benefit, or in my head it is there that I am going to have some benefit. Good night, friends. Thank you.